Hi guys! Are you excited to put together your new bed? Yeah. Hi guys! In today's video we're going to be showing you how we assembled our son's new bed. It's a truck bed. As you can see, it's a STEP2 turbocharged twin truck bed. It comes in 3 boxes. As you can see, this is just box 3 of 3, so it's a pretty big bed. It does say 3+ years. Our son is not 3 years yet, but will be soon, so we thought it was the perfect start. I'm just gonna be showing you the box a little bit. You are going to need certain tools because they're not included, and you do also need batteries. And here, as you can see, it says that it does the contents is 3 boxes combined that you have to obviously assemble, and 1 bed. So that's about it. It is here, it does say that it's a standard size twin mattress and a little bunky board. So with all that, let's get into it.
Is that bed mine?
Yeah, your bed. We're gonna put together your bed. Like a big boy bed.
This is bed.
Yeah, your big boy bed. All right. All right.
This is your car. Yes.
Do you like your car? You like it? You happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, your foot. Your foot.
Wow, what's that?
This is Daddy.
It's a measuring tape.
This is our Daddy.
Yeah, it is.
This is mine.
Wow, look at your rims, man.
Daddy.
Wow.
I'll get figure this.
Okay, go ahead. You want to put the sticker on? Are you decorating your car?
Yes.
Good job.
I get secret.
Do you want to show us how the lights turn on?
Right?
Yeah. Wow, that is so nice. All right, guys, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like. Of course, it needs the mattress, but the mattress is on its way. We have ordered it and it didn't come as fast as the bed. So that's all right. We assembled it just to see what it looks like, and this is it. Our son loves it. He's completely in love with the color red, of course, and he's been wanting a truck or car bed for the longest of time. So just to show a little bit, you want to show your friends how we turn on and off the lights? Do you wanna show them the cool feature? Yeah, look at that. All right, so the lights, as you can see, come on and off. It can serve as a night light, so that's just great. Yeah. So the features are really cool. I can tell you that the material, from what it looks like, of the bed, like the plastic, is pretty durable. What I really loved about this particular car bed is the fact that it came with a drawer, so we can put his clothes, because a lot of them didn't actually come with this. Not necessarily for clothes, but it can serve for bed sheets and anything else, because you know, clothes might not necessarily fit in there. So this is what it looks like. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like our videos, and subscribe down below if you haven't already subscribed for more of Andrei's videos. We do post weekly. And we had fun today. You like your new bed?
Yeah.
Are you excited to sleep in it like a big boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Good for you, Dad.
This is not for me, this is for you.
That's for you.
Good job. All right.
That's you.
Yeah. Say bye to everyone. Bye, guys.
Bye.